This is the iRobot Roomba Combo. It's the J7 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. Here are all the contents. Now looking at the Roomba up close, at the top we have a couple different fit and finishes, the Roomba logo and branding, one control button, and our mopping module, what everybody's after right here. So there's a look at the mopping module right here. You just slide the pad right in place. Never would have thought I'd see the day where we could actually put a mopping pad on a Roomba. Sorry, BravaJet, but your time has come. So go ahead, just line it up as you see right here, and it just slides right in place, clips right in, and then we just gently press the pad on. So there's Velcro if you didn't notice. So just line it up with the Velcro, put it on, and there we go. We now have the mopping pad installed.